Hi guys, and welcome back to another little short of Cindy's Home Kitchen. This short for today is gonna be like less than a minute. This is a little thing that I like to do for people once in a while. Okay, this is my chicken. I cut it up. It's in strips, everything, whatever. But every time you cut meat, even when it comes in the package, it already has water, and then people wash it again. So what I do is I don't like drying it. A lot of people seem to like turn it like that and drain the water. Sometimes they put napkins. I don't like napkins because the paper towels stay stuck. I like to take a rag like this, clean. You push it like that together. You try to grab it all with the rag, okay? And then you're gonna go like that, guys. Okay? Because you want that meat to be nice and dry before you put it in the pan. And then because this is one of your kitchen meat cloths that you keep in the kitchen for stuff like this, and voila, you're done. You don't want to put paper towel. You put paper towel, this paper towel is going to stick, and then there's a piece of paper towel that you're not going to see. You're going to think, oh, I took it all up. I know you didn't take it all up. Sometimes you leave a little bit in there. But I love you all. Thanks for watching. I'm happy to be back with you guys. Thanks for supporting me. I have tons of videos that Michael's going to be loading up for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, and always remember, don't drink and drive.